Hello. We do understand that switching gears from a software version you are feeling very comfortable with to another one might not always be at ease, and that your time is highly valuable. And that's exactly why we've recorded these very quick clips on showing the most common differences that appear upon conversion. Some of your work will require adjustments and/or refinements at times, indeed. However, in many situations, the differences are contained within the appearance of data only. And this is where I'm going to with this example for data input tables constructed in Mathcad 15. In Mathcad Prime, you'll get the same content while preserving the accuracy, and for an easier handling, they will be displayed as matrices. On the right side here, you'll see their aspect in Mathcad Prime. Inserting or deleting rows and columns quick buttons, as well as many vector matrix operators and functions can be found on the Matrices and Tables tab. Note that if you were using the import option to get data from an external source into a data input table in PTC Mathcad 15, then in PTC Mathcad Prime, you can use the Excel component to perform the same task. Many thanks for watching.